Okay, so that's very easy. And if you go to files, you can see now we have user file. This user file is produced because we use the tracer in the graphical interface. So if you open this one, we have well track there, and then yeah, well track and well spec, right? And here, the tracer now is written, and the keyword is W tracer, like the one I said before. Okay, so W tracer there in each time step. All right, so you can use the tracer with keyword like the one I showed you in previous video, or like using this method. Let's see the schedule. The schedule is only like this. You can also put the W tracer here if you want in this schedule without using the, the user file. So you can put the W tracer here instead. Okay, so it depends on what you actually prefer. And lastly, we can also use user cut. So if we go to grid properties, user cut here, okay, and 3D, for example, user cut, let's type in map, okay, because we have created a user map and then greater than 0.1, okay, and then tick on this one, use cut. So now you cut your model. You just want to look at this, the area or the zone with map greater than 0.1. Okay, and what is map? Map is this one, tracer, tracer water 1 and plus tracer 34, and yep, this one. And cut, without knowing the exact value, you just want to know the cut, so it's like this. But if you want to look at the value, it's like this. So these are the zones that have been swept by tracer 1 or water from injector 1 and tracer 34, which is water from injector 34. All right, very easy, but very useful, right? So I think we can call it a day. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video is useful. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in the next tNavigator videos. Thank you.